Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp chat message restore not working problem or chat message backup problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in WhatsApp application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to search WhatsApp app, update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting, go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp chat message restore not working problem or WhatsApp chat message backup or restore problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.